Hi, my name's Andrew. Before I joined the Elite Editor Academy, I've been editing full-time for just under 2 years. And the biggest problem I had was I really didn't know what to focus on to become a more in-demand video editor. I didn't know what to do to get clients kind of coming to me instead of me always having to reach out to them. I'd seen some of Josh's editing breakdowns on YouTube because I also edit in the fitness niche, and I found them really interesting. So when I saw that he was actually putting a course out, I was really excited because here's a guy who's in the exact position I want to be, and now I can learn from him. And I'm really glad I signed up because one of the lessons, he literally has a checklist of all the things you should be doing to stay in demand, as well as sort of a list of things to make sure you're not doing that can kind of prevent you from getting those better jobs. So by kind of listening to what he has in the course, I was able to start charging an additional $550 a month on top of what I'm already making. So that's been really great. And I was able to talk to the channel I work for and get my name put in the description of the videos. So now a lot more people are able to see my portfolio and come to me, which is great. I think the most valuable part of the course though, which was kind of unexpected, was seeing Josh edit a full Will Tennyson video from start to finish. Because that way I was able to kind of compare what I usually do to how Josh does it, how he does the rough cut, how he adds the music, how he goes about deciding if this scene is maybe really emotional but doesn't fit the overall story. And that's just given me a lot of confidence because now I know if I'm not spending enough time on something or if I'm maybe overthinking it and being too much of a perfectionist. I mean, there's a lot of video editing tutorials online on YouTube and stuff, but there's not really any way you can get that sort of insider knowledge that Josh has, having worked with big creators in today's environment, other than just like having access to him. So I think it's really great. And I think if you want to take editing as like a serious full-time career, I think it's a great plan to join.